Hello and welcome to our series all about Wix invoices. Today we're going to learn how to manage the invoices on your Wix site. See what actions you can do with your invoices on your Wix dashboard. Let's get started. On your site's dashboard, go to Getting Paid and go to Invoices. This is where you'll see all of the invoices you've previously created. To manage an invoice or several invoices, tick the checkbox or the checkboxes. Once you're done selecting, you'll have several options you can do with them. You can download them as PDF or export them as a CSV file. To manage them individually, click the three-dot button of the corresponding invoice you want to manage, and here you'll have the options to preview it, edit it, view payments, duplicate it, resend it via email, share it as a link, print it, download it as a PDF, void it, or delete it. So go ahead and manage your invoices with the available actions here according to your needs and preferences. That's all for today, guys. Thanks for watching and see you all in the next video.